The DTF Printer A3 R1390 transfer printing machine offers an advanced solution for high-quality t-shirt printing with outstanding precision and vibrant color output. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this transfer printing machine at the latest price available. This printer features a unique white ink mixing and circulation system that guarantees the ink is evenly distributed, preventing nozzle clogging and delivering clear, vivid patterns with every print. The R1390 print head operates at a stunning 1440 by 1440 dpi resolution, ensuring superior detail and color accuracy. Equipped with a vacuum adsorption platform, the machine holds the printing medium firmly in place to avoid wrinkles and ensure smooth, flawless prints. You can expect to achieve high-quality images in as little as 6 minutes, making it ideal for both small businesses and high-volume production. Another impressive feature is the timing function combined with remote management capabilities. This allows you to schedule print jobs in advance, and the system will automatically start the tasks at the designated time, optimizing your workflow and improving overall equipment utilization. The upgraded motor and sturdy aluminum beam enhance the printer's durability and operational stability, streamlining the printing process for maximum efficiency. Maintenance is simplified through the advanced one-click automatic cleaning system, which removes the hassle of manual cleaning and reduces downtime, helping maintain consistent print quality. The package includes everything you need to get started: the printer itself, 6 500 ml ink bottles covering CMYK plus 2 white inks, software compatible with Windows, a USB splitter with 2 cables for downloading and linking, and an electronic user manual. To top it off, the brand provides dedicated after-sales support, offering installation guidance and technical assistance to ensure you have a smooth and successful printing experience. Whether you are a small business owner or a professional in the printing industry, the DTF Printer A3 R1390 delivers reliable performance, ease of use, and excellent print quality, making it a smart investment for your transfer printing needs.